I don't help me, Krisa. This is the bangs. You know, Krisa. I feel like crazy now. Oh my god. Ay, go. I'm oh, diba? I need to cut these bangs. What do you think, Krisa? Yeah, it's kind of like that, but I'm not wig expert. I just see some short hair they put on wigs for cosplay. Yeah, I just searched it up. It's called a wig cup. Yeah, but there's a cup. This one, I don't know how to put it. Mm. So it's like that. What do you think, Reza? Is nice? I feel like I'm chubby now. I feel like I'm chubby. But really, I don't look at my back. But I don't know how to. I need to do something. Uh-huh. Uh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, and I'm not about to cut my hair into curtain bangs in a view. Curtain bang, you want to cut your hair like this? Because I'm always hello, technical. Please, technical. My hair is nice. My new hairstyle. Sorry, I have butter fingers. I meant here it's butter finger. Autocorrect. Yeah, yeah, I know, I know. Yes, it's nice. This is my new look. So I don't need to cut my hair to have a bangs. You know, I always cut my hair to have a bangs like this. So and then if I don't want, then I need to cover it like this. I want to clip and like that only. Mm-hmm. Yes. Fine, same as Korean hairstyle. Yeah. Nice, right? But I feel like I am chubby. Chubby face. My new hairstyle look. Okay. Actually, guys, I live in the TikTok, but I skip because no one is there. They will come at morning, and then I will clip like this. Hello, everybody.